Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be testing out underpainting. If you don't know what underpainting is, it's basically you applying your concealer, your contour, your blush, your highlight, everything on your best skin and blending everything together with your foundation. If you want to see how that looks and how it's going to turn out, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and let's just go into the video. Summer floating over my heart. We're both dancing over the dark side. I don't know who you are, Bother priming my face because I'm not going to wear this makeup for long. I'm just going to apply a moisturizer first. And then the next thing to apply is blush. I don't have a blush, so I'm using this pink lipstick. I don't have so this is me, this is everything. Now it's time to blend everything together. That's the tricky part, how to blend everything without your whole face becoming pink, or without, I don't know, mixing everything. But let's just see how it goes. All right, so to blend out all of this, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal True Match foundation. Let me shake it up. So first things first, I'll apply it. You know, well, I'll give my thoughts at the end. So let me just do this other side. So this is my face all blended out. I don't even know what to even say about this. What do y'all think? Is there any difference? Because me, I'm feeling like I can even barely see the blush. I can barely see the contour. I can barely see any fucking thing. And that was such an asshole blending out. Like, I don't know. Actually does save blending time because the time you use to apply your concealer first, blend your concealer, blend your contour, you just use it to blend all of them. So it definitely saves blending time. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're literally just going to mix your blush, your contour, and your foundation together, and that will give you a different color of foundation from what you're supposed to apply. I don't know if you get it. But you know what? I'm going to set my face with powder and come back. Okay, so after setting my face, I'm just going to apply like bronzing powder, this middle one there, to give my face a little bit of definition. I'm going to help myself by applying the powder brush. I don't also have, so I'm going to be using this shade from this palette. It's pink and it's like the one I applied. That was too much. Okay, so this is what I'm looking like right now. It's not that bad. I don't really see a huge difference between doing my makeup like this and doing it the other way. Personally, I prefer doing it the other way, like applying my foundation, blending it, applying concealer, blending it. I don't want to pack all those products on my face at once and start blending it all together. So yeah, I'll be back. So guys, this is the final look after mixing everything, blending everything, applying my lipstick, my highlight, and just doing everything. This is the final look. What I would say is if you're not good at blending, if you don't understand that method, I suggest you don't do it. Just apply your makeup the regular way. There is no big difference. After blending everything, I did not see my blush anymore. The contour was not showing as it should, but I just applied powder contour and powder blush, applied my highlights, and that was basically all that I did. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I guess I'll see you in my next video.